Get ready to transform the way your blog looks as the Plus Addons for Elementor team introduces the Smart Loop Builder, a game-changing feature within the Blog Listing Widget which will let you design your blog posts like never before. Now, if you have worked with our Blog Listing Widget before, you already know that it enables us to showcase our content into stunning and customizable layouts. But this time, it is going to be different because with the launch of the all-new Smart Loop Builder, you will really feel like you are in complete control of your blog design. Mind my emphasis, complete control over your blog designs. Still have no clue what I'm talking about? Well, don't you worry. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how you can make use of this advanced customization option that really set us apart from the other blog listing widget that are available in the WordPress ecosystem. Now, giving you the blueprint of this video, first I will show you how you can leverage the ready-made presets, and once this part of the video is finished, we will hop into the next one where we will draw inspiration from CodePen and craft a design that's truly unique. Honestly, I'm pretty excited for this project and I hope that you might also be. So, without any further ado, let's dive in and elevate your blog's aesthetics with this all-new powerful feature. Now, before moving ahead with the project, let's make sure everything in the WordPress backend is set up for smooth operations. So, quickly move to the plugin section and here make sure you have installed Elementor. Also, we will need one more plugin, that is the Plus Addons for Elementor. So, come up here and click on Add New Plugin. Then search for it. And here it is, the Plus Addons for Elementor. Simply click on Install Now. Then activate. Next, moving over to Appearance, click on Themes. And here, as you can notice, I'm using the Nexter theme. For your information, it's one of the lightest Elementor theme out there. Perfect for great performance and security. Though, it's only my personal recommendation, so you can definitely choose any other theme that fits your needs. Now, it's time to enable the star of today's tutorial, that is the blog listing widget. For that, navigate to the Plus Addons, open the widget section within it, then search blog. And here it is, the blog listing widget. Simply go ahead and toggle it on. That's it. With all the groundwork laid out now in WordPress, we are ready to jump into the exciting part, that is using the new Smart Loop Builder feature inside our blog listing widget. For that, let's jump into the Elementor page builder by moving to Pages and clicking on Edit with Elementor. Once you're inside the editor, search for Blog Listing Widget on the left panel. Then simply drag and drop it onto your page where you want to display your blog posts. Now, in order to access the Smart Loop Builder, first select the Blog Listing Widget from the navigator. The moment you will do that, all of its customization options will appear in the side panel. Look for the content layout option here, and within that, there is a style sub option. Open its drop down and there it is, the Smart Loop Builder. Just click on it and now you will notice a new section has been added in the side panel called Smart Loop Builder. As you can see, it's in beta mode, but once you click on Ready Presets, boom! It no longer feels like beta, right? Cool. You can see we've got a lot of presets here. At first glance, all of these layouts look very professional and amazing. And the best part, most of these are free. Amazing, isn't it? Let's now go ahead and select a random one to see how our blog posts look. Sleek. One important thing to note is that the HTML and CSS code for the selected layout is also visible in the side panel. This code is fully editable, so you can tweak it to suit your style or needs, giving you complete control over the design. Now that we have explored the pre-made presets and seen how easy it is to customize them, let's take things up a notch. What if you want to use a completely unique design to make your blog layout even more dynamic? Well, you're in luck today because with the Elementor Smart Loop Builder, you can go beyond the ready-made presets and import designs from platforms like CodePen to make your blog layout truly stand out. Now this, my friend, opens up a whole new world of possibilities and makes you limitless. So, let's get started with the next part of the video where I will walk you through how to take a design from CodePen and kind of make it your own preset. Therefore, starting off, first head over to CodePen and browse through the wide range of designs available. You can search for blog layouts, cards, animations, or any specific styles that resonate with your vision. And yes, don't hesitate to experiment as there are no limits to what you can choose. Once you find a design that catches your eye, simply click on it to view the details. Next, we will want to grab the code from our chosen design. Let me tell you that most designs on CodePen will have three main parts, that are HTML, CSS and sometimes JavaScript. For our purpose, we will typically focus on the HTML and CSS only. So let's collapse this JavaScript window. Also for your information, HTML is where the structure of your design lies, and CSS is something which controls the styling of your design. Now, as you can see down here, there is only one card displayed at the moment. Some of you might be wondering that if there are multiple blog posts in Elementor, how can the code for just one card work for all of them? Well, that's the beauty of the loop in Smart Loop Builder. It automatically repeats the code for all the blog posts, ensuring the design applies to each one. I hope that clears things up. Next, let's go ahead and copy all this code, and I will save it in my Google Keep notes for safekeeping. It will kind of work as my preset if I want to later use it for my future projects. Why I'm doing this? Because saving the codes like this will work as a preset if I later want to use this code in my future projects. Now it's time to switch back to our Elementor editor. Here with the blog listing widget already added to our page, simply select it, then move to the side panel and navigate to HTML and CSS editor section. Now here's where it gets really interesting. As I mentioned earlier, these sections are designed for editing the layout code. But what I didn't mention is a very cool feature that some of you might have discovered already. In case you haven't, let me share this with you. You're not just limited to tweaking the existing code only, but can completely replace it if you want. How cool is that, right? Let's move further and paste the custom code we copied from CodePen here to enhance our blog posts. In the HTML field, paste the HTML code. After that, switch to the CSS field and paste the CSS code you grabbed. Now, you can see that the exact design has been successfully imported onto our blog posts. However, the content inside isn't quite what we want. So, we need to examine the HTML code closely and make the necessary adjustments to display our content. Now, in this section of the video, we are about to dive into some programming, so watch closely. Looking at the design, there are three key elements we need to extract from this CodePen design. That is the title, description, and banner picture. To get the title, find the class named card_title. Here it is, and in front of that, you will see some default text. Quickly replace it with curly brace, TPAE_title, curly brace close, and curly brace close. Next, we will need the description or excerpt content below the title. For that, find the class named card_text and replace it with curly brace, TPAE_excerpt, curly brace closed, and curly brace closed. Now, you can see how we have successfully fetched the title and description data. But hold on a moment, we still need to fetch the banner images. So, let's do that as well. Come again to HTML input field and locate image source. You will find it under the class card_image. Remove the existing text from here and type curly brace, TPAE_image_URL, curly brace closed, and curly brace closed. Done! And just like that, you will see your custom design reflected in your blog post layout. It's like bringing a design straight from the web into your own site. Super easy and super effective. Now, since we are done with today's project, it's time for me to go ahead, click on update, and give you the final view. So that was it. Thanks for joining me on this insightful journey on exploring the all-new Smart Loop Builder feature inside the blog listing widget of the Plus Addons for Elementor. We've discovered how to enhance our blog posts using the Smart Loop Builder, and later I also showed you how you can import beautiful looking designs from CodePen. Now it's on you how to get creative and make your blog one of a kind by using this all new advanced feature. Saying that, if you have any questions or want to share your custom designs, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to see all of them. Also, if you really enjoyed this video and have learned something new today, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more such amazing videos on mastering Elementor. I will see you in the next one. Until then, keep learning and stay creative.